You write me, booker@bookerlawfirm.com. Your question ends up on the show. Bring you to the court of my public opinion. We're not going to look at this as legal advice because I don't represent you and I may not have all of the facts that I need. However, I'm going to do the best job that I can with what I have. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. Order in the court. What's up? Order in the court. It's your favorite attorney. You already know what time it is. Hello. So, we have a common question. The messy commoner amok. We have a messy commoner that's running amongst us, okay? That's running amongst the people. We must address. They wrote me and they said, I got arrested for pills. This is my first time ever getting arrested, and I got out on a free bond, but they said they'll drug test. I've been smoking weed my whole life. I have court in 4 days, and I don't think I'm going to pass if they drug test me. I just got out of jail. What's going to happen? Let's bring them to the court of our public opinion because a lot of people understand this situation and have been in this situation. Baby, they understand. You've been smoking weed your whole life. You will not be clean when you go back. If the judge asks you, you're going to tell them, Judge, I've been smoking weed my whole life. There's no way I'll be clean in 4 days. I stopped smoking when the bond conditions were signed. I will be dirty this time. I will not be dirty if you continue to test me. But I have been smoking weed my entire life. You are going to have to give me time to get that out of my system. That's what you do. And so what's going to happen is the levels, they will see the levels go down and go away. They'll see it. They'll watch it. And the judges are paying attention. But you know that, right? That they have to give you time, right? They can't prove that you've had it. When they test you that first time, though, those are your levels now. And they're going to need to see them go down to dissipate into nothing. Don't think if you hit the sweet one time, you'll be okay. You might not. So that's how you're going to handle that. But you'll be fine this time. They definitely understand. That stuff stays in your system, and you're going to have to let it get out. More than likely, they're not going to drug test you before that time is out. Unless they want a benchmark. Okay? Some judges will test you. They'll know you're dirty. They just want the benchmark. Does that make sense? And a lot of you all need to be looking into, I don't know, because you're looking anxious. I'm looking at you guys. A lot of y'all are looking like you're anxious and you may have issues and you might need to go to the doctor and get a prescription for that. Okay? You might need to get a prescription for it. And if there's no other way that you can be medicated for certain things other than marijuana, the judge will have to accept you smoking marijuana on bond. Next case! I don't know who just said that. Bye. Bye. Closing court. Goodbye. Goodbye. We're going to wrap it up early today. Carry along. Terry along. Carrie and Terry. Bye. I gave you that for free. Bye.
I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.